Today, we are going to talk about one of the famous problem of the Spring Boot, which is n+1 problem. Okay. Now, what is this problem, right? Let's say तुम्हारी कोई API है, which is currently taking 500 milliseconds to respond, right? But you might have noticed कि जैसे ही तुमने उसमें @one to many mappings डाली और you want to establish relationship between two entities, in that case what happens? Your API response time increases drastically, right? Up to 2 seconds or 3 seconds. But what is the reason behind it? Let's try to understand it, okay? So here I have two entities. First one is the user, okay, and second one is the order. A user can have multiple orders, right? So I have established one to many mapping between the user and order entity, right? Here you can see the code. This is my order entity, okay? If you see, this is my user repository where I have a method which will be getting me the list of all the users, right? And this is my user service class where I am trying to print the size of orders for each individual user, right? Now, so when user repository dot find all method execute, it fetches list of all the users, right? But when you get user dot get order list, then again a query is executed by Hibernate to get the list of order for that particular user, okay? Now let's say अगर तुम्हारे पास 550 या 100 users हैं, in that case what will happen? One query will get executed to get the list of users, right? And for that 100 users, 100 queries being fired by the Hibernate to get the order details of each individual user, right? Here we are executing 101 queries, right? Let's say if we have n number of users, then we are executing n number of queries to get the orders, right? And one query to get the list of users, right? So this is something we call it as n+1 problem, and it kills your API performance, okay? Now there are different way of resolving this issue. Either you can go for join fetch or you can use the entity graph annotation. Here you just need to add the entity graph annotation, right? And you need to specify the field which you want, right, in one go. So what will happen? This basically tells JPA to load the order details of the user as well, eagerly instead of lazily, right? So in one go, all the users and its order details will be fetched, right?